Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys in my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Tecno mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to change Tecno mobile hide password. Friends, you want to change Tecno mobile hide password. So friends, now let's see how to change Tecno mobile hide password one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So before starting video, friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, in your Tecno mobile, now let's see how to change hide password. Open your device phone master application app. After opening my phone master application app, friends, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. So friends, in your Tecno mobile, scroll down here. Open your phone wallet. Password setting, tap here. After opening my phone wallet password setting you want to use, so you can use. Enter your password first of all. After enter password, you can check your hide photos, videos, recording, and application. You can check. How to change password? Tap here, setting icon, right side setting icon, tap here, change password setting, click here. Password format is double hash plus 4-digit password. Okay, double hash plus 4-digit password, remember. Okay, so my password is 1245. Done. Remember your password, double hash 1245. Remember? I remember it. Tap here wallet option again friends. Double hash 2580. You cannot unlock your wallet password, your hide app password you cannot unlock. Double hash 1245. Hide app setting will unlock. Tap here application, you can check your hide apps. You want to unhide any app, so friends, three dot click here, select which app you want to unhide, select your app, export. App will unhide in your Tecno mobile. Friends, you can check Facebook app will unhide. And you want to hide any app, enter your password, application, plus icon, tap here. You can select your hide app password. Also friends, you can select your hide apps and you can hide apps in Tecno mobile. So friends, again I will hide my Facebook app, confirm. Facebook app will hide again in my Tecno mobile. Friends, you can check Facebook app is not here. So like that means you can hide and unhide app in your Tecno mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.